Hey, what's going on, everybody? You already know your boy the Vintage. When I can get something early for a good reasonable price, you guys already know I'm gonna cop it and we gonna talk about it early before the sneaker drops. So make sure you sit back and enjoy the entire video. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in once again to another video. And today we got some early for you guys, straight from the GOAT app. These right here are this right here is one of the best sneakers I done probably copped early for super cheap. I got these for damn near retail in my eyes. And like I said, we're gonna talk about it, break it down, see what's going on with these Air Jordan 1s I have in today's box. If you guys are new, you already know the spiel. Subscribe, hit that like button, all that good stuff. If you rock out with your boy, just go ahead, like I said, sub up. Hit the like button, more content is gonna be coming you guys' way. And head over to IG and Twitter, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. And on Instagram, follow me at The Real The Vintage. You guys already know the clothing brand, UNKWN Collections. Give your boy a follow, go check out the website, go check out some of the items we have to offer you guys for this spring and summer collection, man. See, I got these from the GOAT app, man. Shout out to the homie, Director Whiskey. He's like, yo, these things is going for a steal right now, especially for these being early. And like I said, a couple years ago, for these Air Jordan 1s to release, it probably would be impossible for me to get these things at all, you know what I mean? And for me to get these for a little bit over retail is quite surprising. And you guys probably like, yo, why is the box white? This is my first time seeing this Air Jordan 1 box, this Air Jordan 1 in general. And you guys see right here, it's a white box, man. Check it out, check it out. Let's go ahead and peel these things out of the box real quick. All this tissue paper in there secured the sneakers. Shout out to GOAT. You guys already know how they rock. I've been rocking out with the GOAT app for a little minute now. So I know I just dropped the StockX video talking about the most popular sneakers over there. We're gonna go ahead and drop that GOAT app video as well, seeing what is trending over on the GOAT app, man. So as you guys can see right here, man, we have the all white box. Super nice candy cane looking box, you feel me? Nike up top. Of course, you got your Nike branding all around of this box right here. And it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, white, university, red, and black. And of course, we got these things in a size 9, as you guys can see. Super excited to peel these out of the box. Super excited to see them. And I want to get you guys' reaction to this sneaker as well. So let's go ahead and flip it open, get that out the way. You guys already know, GOAT verified card right here. You know what I'm saying? All authentic. You know what I'm saying? We can't do that fugazi over here, you feel me? So GOAT verified. Of course, you got your GOAT sticker, and we see the sneaker right here. I don't know why people sleeping on these joints. Yo, why are y'all sleeping on these Air Jordan 1 Heritage, man? These things is nasty, bro. Check these out, man. I'm gonna peel both of them out of the box. And I think they come with extra laces, if I'm not mistaken. Let's get both of them out. This right here might be a double up, bro. This might be a double up. If you guys see the future team at UNKWN Collections, we got you right. Go ahead and head over to UNKWN Collections. Copy your tee, copy your hat. Copy some shorts that go perfect with these Air Jordan 1 Heritage. Oh my, I'm liking the quality. I'm liking the feel of it. And you guys know we just got the Travis Scott, you know, fragment joints released. Kind of had the same similar color blocking, although it was blue where the red is at, of course, you know, stuff like that. It had the backward swoosh. But I seen a custom of these. I'm gonna try to find a picture and put it up here with the backward swoosh with these Heritage joints, man. These are nice. These are keepers, you know what I'm saying? I got these for 260. I think altogether, this thing is like 260 altogether, you know, shipping, taxes and fees and stuff like that from the GOAT app. And I think they was going for 220, the person that was selling it for on GOAT. And on StockX right now, they're going for around 210, 220 as well. Put a couple pictures up here of the resale prices currently on these. But man, you got some extra red laces. You guys already know I'm gonna throw these joints on feet, do a full review. And oh, you get white laces too. Yes, sir. You get the white laces and the red laces, and they come equipped with the black laces in there already. And I'm thinking, I don't know, you guys let me know down below in the comment section, do you guys like the black, the red, or the white laces to go with these right here? I'm thinking the black would look very nice just because you kind of get a predominantly white and red upper, you know what I'm saying? Switching it up, throwing the black lace in there, I think that'd go crazy, man. I think that would look really nice on these, and the quality, man. Oh my, yo, why are people sleeping on these? I really don't know. I'm super confused. I just made a video the other day talking about the Air Jordan 1 hype is dead. I don't know why people ain't rocking now no more, even though we've been getting super nice colorways from Jordan Brand these last couple of months. The Brotherhoods, under retail, the dark marina blues. under retail. A bunch of Air Jordan 1s right now you can see on StockX, Go, wherever you want. And you can see them for right around retail and get them for a reasonable price. But the hype ain't there no more. The hype ain't there no more. But I would definitely say, if you like these Jordan 1s, man, buy them now while the price is low. I keep telling you guys that because after a while, you already know the resale, the hype, everything is gonna jump back up for the Air Jordan 1s. It's because it is the Jordan that started it all, you feel me? And man, these joints right here, these are nice. These are clean, bro. Like I said, I'm always thinking about a couple of years ago when the resale prices were like crazy for Air Jordan 1. And just to see sneakers now like this, the quality, the colorway, all that good stuff, the craftsmanship, the box, the extra laces, you would think that this sneaker would be going for well over $300-400. But like I said, 2022, it's a new wave. And a lot of people said in the video about the Air Jordan 1 hype dying that the new wave is the dunks, man. Everybody loves the dunks, even though it's just super hard to get them in my end. I don't know what's going on. That's why I keep rocking out with the Air Jordan 1s. It's super easy to get. The hype isn't there anymore. And I can definitely get some dope fits out of it, add some sneakers to the collection that I feel like later on down the line, people are gonna be like, yo, why didn't I cop these? I don't, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be that question. Why didn't I get these while the price was low? And like I said, these right here, the Heritage Air Jordan 1s, definitely a keeper. Definitely a fire pair of Air Jordan 1s. Probably the best one to release this year, in my opinion. Probably the best Air Jordan 1 release of 2022. I know it's a bold statement, but man, I don't think nothing else gonna be topping these bad boys right here. You guys let me know down below in the comment section. I know you guys see up there the Rebellion Air Jordan 1s. I think these are better than those. I'm gonna grab them real quick so we can check them out. All right, man, so here you have it, the Rebellion Air Jordan 1s. And of course, over here we got the Heritage. Which one you guys picking, man? You going with the Heritage Air Jordan 1s? I still ain't bust these things down, so I haven't rocked them. And you have the clean, pristine Air Jordan 1 Heritage, man. Which one, Rebellion Airs or Heritage? I need you guys' comments. I need you guys' opinions down below right now in the comment section. I need all y'all to keep that same energy with the Air Jordan 1s from here on out. Like I said, I fell in love with the Jordan 1s a couple of years ago. I've been trying to cop them ever since. So let's keep the hype down. Let me get these pairs for, you know, super reasonable prices. And the Air Jordan 1 collection will be looking very nice in the next couple of years. Again, shouts out to the lovely Gold app, man, for hooking your boy up with another pair of clean early sneakers, authentic 100%. I'm really digging them. Happy to add them to the collection. Got them a little bit early, you know what I mean? So we definitely gonna drop a review and full on feet for you guys, you know what I'm saying? So I can give you guys a little bit better look of them, give you guys a little bit more information. I don't even know when these things are releasing, so we're gonna talk about all that in the review and on feet over the Heritage Air Jordan 1s, man. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thanks for tuning in once again to another video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, you know, all that good stuff. Help the channel grow. Head over to my clothing brand IG, UNKWN Collections, and my personal, Real to Vintage. And make sure you follow me on Twitter. That's where a lot of information goes out as far as shock drops, restocks, all that good stuff pertaining to Nike and the sneakers app. Again, thanks for tuning in to another video. I appreciate all of the support. And all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.